Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to apply Citi Double Cash Credit Card. Citibank is primary US banking subsidiary of financial services on multinational group Citigroup. To apply for Citi Double Cash Credit Card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar, then type www.citi.com. Then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to official website of Citibank. Now here you can see credit cards option at top left corner. Click on credit cards, then click on view all credit cards at first. Now here you can click on cashback. And here you can see cashback credit cards. Now scroll down and look for Citi Double Cashback Credit Card. Here you can see Citi Double Cash Credit Card. You can see the information regarding the credit card as well. Click on the option of apply now. With that, here you'll be taken to the application page. Now here you can see all the information on the top. Now here you need to first enter your personal information. First enter your first name on the given box. Then enter your middle initial. This is an optional choice. Then enter your last name on the given box. With that, click on suffix box and enter or select your suffix. Then enter your social security number or your IITN, which is a 9-digit number. Then enter your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, select are you a US citizen or not. After that, click on address 1 box and enter your address. You can directly select the address over here as well. Address 2 is an optional choice. With that, enter your zip code on the given box. Then enter your city. Then select your state. If you want to provide a PO box address, then you can click on the given box. If you click on the given box, you also need to enter your PO box address. Now here you need to provide at least one phone number, whether it is your mobile phone number or your home phone number. Enter your mobile phone number on the given box. If you want to provide home phone number, click on the given box. Now here you need to enter your email address on the given box. Now after that, you need to enter your financial information. Read through the statement and click on the given box. Then enter your total annual income on the given box. After that, enter your monthly mortgage or your rent payment on the given box. If you want to add an authorized user to this account, then you can click on yes. This is an optional choice. With that, here you need to create a security word. This may be helpful when you call Citibank or when you are accessing your account online. Now click on security word hunt box and select your category. Then click on security word box and enter your security word. After that, once view terms and condition. After viewing through all the terms and condition, click on the box that you agree to all the terms and condition. Then once viewed through paperless terms and condition, all our terms and condition, card member agreement and privacy notice, then click on the given box. You must check all the boxes before submitting your application. With that, click on agree and submit. Now your result will be loaded. So wait for a few minutes and you will be shown your result whether your card is accepted or declined. After that, your application will get submitted. It will take few days for Citibank to review through your information. Then you will get notification through your mail or your phone number. This is how we can apply for Citi Double Cash Credit Card on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.